How to download and install Twitter. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you're able to download and install Twitter on your mobile device. But before I do that, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you how to download and install Twitter on your Android device, but the process will be very similar for other devices. So first, head over to the Play Store. Then in the top bar, tap the search bar at the top and type in Twitter. Tap the Twitter app when it appears in the search results, then tap on Install. If prompted, enter your password or your device ID to confirm you want to download the app. Twitter will then be installed on your device. This process may take a few minutes. Once the installation is complete, tap Open to launch the Twitter app. And that's what it takes to download and install Twitter on your mobile device. If you found this video helpful, I'd love you if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.